Hello everyone, my name is Lutfiana Azura. I'm a medical student of Bengkulu University, 2020. In this opportunity, I want to present an article about intergenerational teen pregnancy, a population-based cohort study. This article was written by N. Liu, S. N. Vigot, M. M. Furugia, M. L. Urquia, and J. G. Ray. And the aims of the article is to estimate the intergenerational association in teenage pregnancy and whether there is a coupling tendency between a mother and a daughter in how their teen pregnancies end, such as a termination of pregnancy versus live birth. Teen pregnancy is typically defined as that between age 15 years old and 19 years old. Despite its relative decline since 1990, the rate of teen pregnancy remains high in development countries, ranging from 28 to 60 per 1,000 women in North America and Europe. Teen pregnancy is a complex issue that results from a confluence of wide range of factors at the individual, family, community, and social levels. This can be at least partly attributed to direct and indirect parental influence on a child's knowledge and attitude about sexual behavior. This is a fundamental limitation, as nearly half of teen pregnancies are unintended and an termination of pregnancy or TOP. Compared with this was pregnancy and with live births, those who undergo TOP are subsequently less likely to be affected by poverty or low educational attainment. It is not known whether their daughters are also at increased risk for teen pregnancy. Herein, we quantified the odds of intergenerational teen pregnancy between a mother and a daughter and the tendency for each to end with a TOP. Study design. We completed a population-based retrospective cohort study using administrative health data for the entire province of Ontario, Canada. The data sources of study database were housed at the Institute for Clinical Evaluative Science or ICES. And about the participants, we first identified all women born between April 1973 and March 1980. Of these women, we retained those who gave birth to a daughter between April 1988 and March 1996, excluded those who immigrated to Ontario after age 15 years old. The covariates, measurable coverage, were grouped into two categories. The first category, assessed at the time when the daughter was born, included her mother's age and birth region origin, whether the daughter was born preterm, and the daughter's neighborhood, income quintile, and rural versus urban place of the residence. The second category was measured when the daughter was aged 15 years old, including her neighborhood income quintile, rural versus urban residence, mother-daughter cohabitation, and any major physical illness and or mental illness the daughter had in the 2-year period before she turned 15 years old. And then mm, the exposure and outcomes. The main study exposure was the number of teen pregnancies that a mother had between age 15 years and 18 years old and 19 years old. The second exposure was the nature of the mother's teenage pregnancy, categories as first, no teen pregnancy, two, at least one teen pregnancy with at least one teen pregnancy and ending with the live birth, and at least one teen pregnancy with the at least one teen pregnancy ending with a TOP. And then the main study outcome was the teen pregnancy in the daughter between ages 15 years old and 19 years old. The second study outcome was the number of teen pregnancies that a daughter had. The third study outcome was the nature of the daughter's teenage pregnancy categories as first, no teen pregnancy, second, at least one teen pregnancy, all exclusively ending with a live birth, and the third at least one teen pregnancy with the at least one pregnancy ending with TOP. And with the statistical analysis, we can get the result. The result are the the proportion of doctors having a teen pregnancy among those whose mother had 0, 1, 2, or at least 3 teen pregnancies was 16.3, 24.9, 33.5, and 36.3%. And the conclusion is there is a strong intergenerational occurrence of teenage pregnancy between a mother and a daughter, including a coupling tendency in how the pregnancy ends. So that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching. See you.